This is Barry, I think. Bradley, sorry. Let's get it right. We get it right.
So who's this one here on your right hand?
This is Billy. This
Billy.
is Bradley.
And Bradley.
Oh, Bradley. What a sweet boy. I like him. He's gonna have a nice muscular body. So I think that Billy's gonna look like Legacy, and Tuffy's got, you know, a little more heavily muscled like Berger.
It's a thick puppy here.
Hey, Barry. Hey, Barry. Barry, the baby puppy. B-A-R-R-Y. Barry. Barry or Barry? What's your name? Puddin' and Tang. What's your name, Puddin' and Tang? Barry. Barry. I don't know what my name is. My name is Patty Cake, Patty Cake. Patty Cake, Patty Cake.
Well, she's got good temperament. Just lay there and take that.
I got good temper. I got lots of temper. I got lots of temper. So we never pull on their arms. We never pull them. No, we just pick them up by their bodies because they're such heavy puppies. Don't pull their arms out. Now, don't suggest your children do that. I don't suggest your children aggravate the puppies, but I aggravate them all the time. You're a good boy.
Well, they need to be handled and socialized.
Oh, yeah. Great. I wipe my hands with that. No, you
Well, he had to wipe his face.
I missed the trash can, Billy. Billy, I missed the trash can, Billy. And this is Bobby. He said I pretty puppy.
Bobby's
too.
a hoot.
I got a pretty puppy too.
Bobby is a hoot.
You are just the same color as your cinnamon. You're not a cinnamon, but you are where's all this red coming from? We don't know. We don't know. No. You need to settle yourself down. Yeah. You hadn't had no love? You hadn't had no love? Don't pay him. He needs some love. He needs some love.